Okay, let's start. My name, here we go, is Sarah De Leon, and here's my picture. I am 18. My favorite color is blue, and my favorite food is queso. This right here is me. I enjoy singing and listening to music. Pretty much anything, just as long as it's good. I really enjoy it. I sing a lot with my friends in the car when we're driving around. I don't have the voice to sing, but I sure do love to sing no matter what. One of my hobbies that I've kind of picked up is photography. I'm just learning, so I'm not like a professional. I enjoy taking pictures of my friends right now. Like if we go on little trips, I'll take pictures of them and they will let me edit and I just have fun and it's been a great learning experience, even though I just started. I'm a freshman here at Midland College. I just graduated a few months ago from a tiny school in Lenora. I don't know if anybody knows where that is. It's about 45 minutes from Midland as well, or maybe even 30. My graduating class had 12. Yeah, crazy. We were a really close class. I was friends with just about everyone. We got along great and we talked every day. My school was really small as well. We probably have the smallest class, but in the high school there was probably max 200. That's what I would guess. But it was a very small community that I loved and enjoyed. Um, at Grady, I participated in cheerleading, basketball, cross country, and track pretty much every year. That's pretty much what my life consisted of until I came to college. Now I just go to school. But this is a few of my classmates at prom. There was a few boys that didn't want to come because they didn't enjoy prom. And these are my new friends that I met here at college. They're my roommates. The one in the front, she actually stays in the same room with me, and the two in the middle are our suite mates right across from us. We've gone along great and we bonded well and we become the best of friends. They're lots of fun. We laugh all the time, and they've been a big help to my new life at college. And here are the people that support me the most, honestly. This gigantic family of mine. They are all not in the picture, or pictured here. Um, my dad is the only boy, and he has four sisters. One of them didn't actually make it to my graduation, so I didn't get a picture with her and her family. And my dad has his girlfriend there. And I didn't get a picture with my mom also. So I'm kind of missing a few people, but there's a lot of us. My grandparents down at the bottom, they are the best people in the whole entire world. I enjoy their company very much. I spend most of my day with them, and they've been a great support system, as well as everyone else. And in my free time back in Big Spring, I have done this since freshman year. I worked at a gym and helped teach cheerleading and tumbling. I've tumbled a little bit myself, not the best, and I probably could not throw anything now if I wanted to. But these young ladies have probably been there since I have, since they were little, and they've been learning, and I got to teach them. So after my break from college, I went back home and I finally got to see them, and it was just so awesome. They're so big now, and they can do amazing things and tumble so great now, and it's just so great to see them. This is definitely my favorite thing to do in my free time. Yeah, it's been a great, but it's been great. This is definitely my favorite thing to do.